Hey guys, so after hanging out with my friends, I got really interested in this mobility program idea. And specifically, I wanted to go for a SEM exchange program, which I find the most suitable for me. I knew that I had to take advantage of this opportunity provided by UPM. Anyway, here are the steps to do the process.
I started the process by doing some research online on the kind of program I want to pursue and which university I wanted to go to. During my research, I found out that UPM has more than 180 active MOUs with partner universities around the globe. This partnership means that students are eligible to receive a tuition fee waiver at their host university, and they're only required to pay their tuition fees in UPM, which I think is a steal. Secondly, after deciding on the kind of program I want to pursue and the university I want to go to, I made an appointment with my mobility coordinator at the faculty to discuss on my mobility plan. This is a very important step for every student, especially if you decide to go for a semester exchange, as you will need to discuss furthermore about the credit transfer procedure. For your information, each faculty have their own mobility coordinator, and they're mostly stationed at the Deputy Dean office. You can always reach out to the faculty staff or iPutra officers to give you more information on who is the mobility coordinator at your faculty. The coordinator will assist you with the application procedure step by step. After the consultation with my mobility coordinator, I was redirected to iPutra to get their assistance to apply for the semester exchange program. This part of getting approval from the host universities might take some time before I was admitted for the semester exchange program. This procedure may be slightly different for students who are going for a short-term mobility program, whereby the only need is to secure a placement at the host university and informing iPutra once their placement has been secured.
Okay guys, looks like I've already completed everything I need before my travel, and I've already received my letter of approval from UPM. I'm really excited to leave, and I would like to thank all of my friends who told me about this opportunity, and I'm really happy that UPM provides such opportunities for its students. Anyway, I have a flight to catch, so see you!